Hello, my name is Mary. I am a busy mom with 2 kids. Look at my house. It is so messy today. Time to clean my house. To begin with, I start in the living room. There are many toys on the floor. I pick up the colorful blocks. I put them into the big toy basket. Yay! The floor looks much better now. Next, I look at the bookshelf. It is very dusty. I take a soft cloth to wipe the dust. I also wipe the wooden coffee table. Finally, the furniture is neat and clean. Afterwards, I walk to the kitchen. Oh no, the sink is full of dirty dishes. I need to wash them before lunch. I use warm water and lemon soap. The soap smells so fresh. I scrub the plates with a sponge. Then I rinse them carefully. I put the clean dishes on the drying rack. They look so shiny and new. Oh no, the kitchen floor is a bit dirty. I take a long broom from the corner. I sweep the floor from left to right. Eventually, I collect all the dust in the dustpan. The kitchen is now perfectly clean. As soon as I finish the kitchen, I go upstairs. I enter the bedroom to make the bed. I pull the white sheet and the blanket. Then I fluff the soft pillows. This room looks very cozy now. Afterwards, I open the window for fresh air. I see some clothes on the chair. I fold them neatly and put them away. Everything is in the right place. Phew! My whole house is clean now. It was a lot of work, but I love a tidy home for my family. Now I can sit down and relax. The house smells great and looks beautiful. A busy mom's day is never easy, but a clean house makes me proud. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What room does Mary clean first? Answer. She cleans the living room first. Question 2. What does Mary use to wipe the dust from the bookshelf? Answer. She uses a soft cloth to wipe the dust. Question 3. Why does Mary wash the dirty dishes? Answer. She washes them before lunch. Question 4. How does Mary clean the kitchen floor? Answer. She sweeps the floor from left to right. Question 5. What does Mary do with the clothes on the chair? Answer. She folds them neatly and puts them away. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.